Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Football and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a 12-pack opening of the Panini Tournament Edition UEFA Euro 2020 official sticker collection. As you see in front of you on the desk, we have 12 packets. Each pack contains 5 stickers and costs 90p in all good stores. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it, see if we can get any more good stickers for our hardback album. Here is the nice orange design packet with the trophy in the middle there, UEFA Euro 2020, with Carlo Parola, the iconic scissors kick image, the tournament edition from Panini with the knight there. So, without further ado, let's get straight in and see what we can get. 60 stickers from this opening. So, we start with Julian Brandt of Germany. A double sticker there for Germany, Joshua Kimmich and Toni Kroos. Renato Stefan of Switzerland. Virgil van Dijk of Liverpool and the Netherlands. And we finish with Denis Vavro of Slovakia. I think that is. On to the second. We start with a double sticker for Russia, Fedor Kudryashov and Andrei Semenov. Jibril So of Switzerland. Denis Debus, I'm not sure on that pronunciation there. I think that's another goalkeeper for Hungary, the second choice. Ondrej Salutska of the Czech Republic and Borna Barisic of Rangers and Croatia. Just move those over there slightly. Get into the third. Where we start with another double sticker for Poland, Kamil Glik and Tomáš Kedziora. A double sticker for Belgium, Yuri Tielemans and Axel Witsel. Tomáš Kedziora, proper sticker there for Poland. Sylvain Widmer of Switzerland. And we finish with Dominic Calvert-Lewin with his curly mop there for Everton and England. And he's took a dive. Book in there for simulation. Into the next pack. We start with another double sticker there for Slovakia, Marek Rodak, the backup keeper from Fulham, and Peter Pekarik. A celebratory sticker there for Switzerland. Joe Allen of Stoke City and Wales. Nelson Semedo of Portugal, and we finish with David Brooks of AFC Bournemouth and Wales. Oops, now the packet's taken a dive. We're all over the place today. Anyhow, on to the next one as I throw some more paper on the floor. The double sticker to start off for Slovakia, Lubomir Satka and Milan Skriniar, the centre-half from Inter. The Hungary celebratory sticker there. Meri Demiral of Turkey and Juventus. Gerard Moreno of Spain. And we finish with Lucas Anderson of Denmark. Into the next, whoops, we've got two stuck together there. Into the next one. We start with a double sticker for Italy, Manuel Locatelli and Jorginho. A double for Finland, Lucas Radecki and Jukka Raitala. Then we have Antoine Griezmann of Barcelona and France. Bernd Leno of Arsenal and Germany, the goalkeeper. And Federico Chiesa of Juventus and Italy. Next up we start with the Spain centre-half from Real Madrid, Sergio Ramos, Irfan Can Kaveki of Turkey, Ferran Torres of Manchester City and Spain, Glenn Kamara of Finland, and a Finland doubleheader finishing off with Leo Vesainan. Continuing on, starting with a couple of double stickers there, one for Poland, Wojciech Szczesny and Jan Bednarek, and one for Switzerland, Jan Sommer and Manuel Akanji. And we have Eden Hazard of Real Madrid and Belgium, Ricardo Rodriguez of Switzerland, and we finish with another Belgian, the Inter striker Romelu Lukaku. Next up, we start with once again a double sticker, Mikael Lustig and Victor Nilsson Lindelof. For Sweden, Ilya Nastrovsky and Goran Pandev of North Macedonia. The Portugal celebratory sticker there. Edward Sabol of the Ukraine, and we finish with Everton and England goalkeeper Jordan Pickford. This is the 10th pack, where we start with Anton Shunin and Georgi Dzikia of Russia, Roland Salai of Hungary, Gregor Bushan, I'm not sure on that pronunciation there, for the Ukraine, Jan Baril of the Czech Republic, and Damjan Shishkovsky, apologies if that pronunciation is incorrect, for North Macedonia. The penultimate pack, we start with Swansea and Wales midfielder Connor Roberts, Edmilson Fernandez of Switzerland, Lucas Masopust of the Czech Republic, Marcus Danielsson of Sweden, and the Fridge aka Harry Maguire of England and Manchester United. And the final pack, let's see if we can get something good from this one. Starting with a celebratory sticker there for Poland, Robert Lewandowski amongst others in that action shot. A double for Austria, Pavel Pervan and David Alaba. Frenkie de Jong of the Netherlands, João Cancelo of Manchester City and Portugal, and we finish with Mikael Duris of Slovakia. So, I hope you enjoyed this 12 pack opening of the Panini UEFA Euro 2020 Tournament Edition sticker packets. 60 stickers in total. The packets cost 90p and contain 5 stickers. Hopefully we've got plenty of needs for our hardback album. Anyhow, if you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so, would be greatly appreciated. If you are, remember to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified as and when videos are being uploaded. Plenty more videos coming in the not too distant future, and I will see you all in them videos. Thanks for watching everyone, and goodbye.